So now we're going to look up actually connecting the 860i. So your 860i, if you press and hold the orange button for a couple of seconds, the light will flash green to tell you that it's been turned on. It should then start flashing orange. This means that the device is trying to connect. The way that the device will connect is that you've just go straight onto the Testo Smart App. It will then prompt you asking that Testo Smart would like to join a Wi-Fi network T860i _ with the serial number of your device. All you need to do is press join, and then the device will get itself connected. Once the device has successfully been connected, there will be a blue bar at the top that will say 860i connected, and the 860i will then turn itself green. So now the 860i is connected up, there's a few different applications that you can use it for. So if you just go into the thermography screen, you can just use it as sort of a normal thermography thermal imaging camera, and you'll have a few different options within here. The E at the top is your emissivity, so you can adjust this depending at what surface is that you are looking at, but most typically everyone just uses the standard of 0.955. You have your temperature indicator down on the side. So the darker the color, the colder the object, and the whiter the object, the hotter it is. So if I was to put my hand in front of the camera, we can see that it's gone yellow, distinguishing it from the ceiling above. You've got your auto mode. So on here, if you really wanted to, you can adjust the temperature scale of what the camera can detect, and anything sort of below and above those temperatures will be ignored. And that you have the tool icon at the bottom. So in this section here, you can add different measuring spots, you can add your delta T, you can also change the color palette, and you can also change the rotation of the screen if required. The 860i has two cameras in it, one which is your thermal camera, but it also has the visual camera, and you can toggle between the two of them, and when you do take a thermal image, it will capture both the thermal and the visual image for you.